Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of twisty puzzles to talk about something that, by all accounts, should not exist. That's right, the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. On the surface, it seems like just another step up from the 5x5. But when you dig deeper, you realize this puzzle defies logic. Let me explain why. The basics of Rubik's Cube. To understand why the 6x6 is so special, let's start with the basics. The classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube has a fixed center, edges, and corners. It's a beautifully balanced puzzle with a clear structure. When you move up to the 4x4 and 5x5, things get more complicated, but they still follow a logical pattern. The 4x4 has no fixed centers, and the 5x5 adds an extra layer of complexity, but both are solvable with similar methods. The problem with even-numbered cubes. Here's where things get weird. Even-numbered cubes, like the 4x4 and 6x6, don't have fixed centerpieces. This means the centers can rotate, leading to something called parity errors. These are situations where the cube seems unsolvable because the pieces are in positions that would never happen on a 3x3 or 5x5. It's like the cube is breaking its own rules. The 6x6's unique challenge. Now take the 6x6. It's an even-numbered cube, so it inherits all the parity problems of the 4x4, but it also adds two extra layers of complexity. You've got more pieces, more potential for things to go wrong, and more ways for the cube to defy your expectations. Solving a 6x6 isn't just about algorithms, it's about adapting to the cube's chaos. The mechanism behind the madness. To make matters worse, the 6x6's mechanism is a nightmare of engineering. Unlike the 5x5, which has a relatively stable core, the 6x6 relies on a complex system of interlocking pieces that can easily pop or lock up if you're not careful. It's a miracle this thing even turns. Why it shouldn't work. Here's the thing. The 6x6 Rubik's Cube shouldn't be possible. It breaks the rules of traditional cube design, introduces unsolvable scenarios, and pushes the limits of what a twisty puzzle can do. And yet, it exists. People solve it every day. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our obsession with pushing boundaries. The beauty of the impossible. In the end, the 6x6 Rubik's Cube is more than just a puzzle. It's a symbol of how we, as humans, refuse to accept limits. We take something that shouldn't work, and we make it work. Whether you're a speed cuber, a casual solver, or just someone who loves a good challenge, the 6x6 is a reminder that the impossible is just another problem waiting to be solved.